What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on this Challenger SRT8 that came into the shop, and it has the famous Hemi tick to it. It's like one of the first ones that I've worked on that's a Challenger that has the 6.4 in it. Now, it definitely has a tick. And the codes are for multiple cylinder misfires, a fuel injector being unplugged, all kind of stuff. So we're gonna go in here in the computer and look and see what we got. So I know we have a bunch of misfires here on this screen, but usually one cylinder that's actually misfiring is causing all the misfires on a Challenger. Typically, this thing is misfiring on number 4 cylinder, and it's pretty loud. I don't know if the video actually does it justice or not, but it is pretty loud. We are going to go ahead and get all this chrome, the intake off, get everything off the motor so we can see what's actually going on underneath all this stuff. The intake's off, all the harnesses are disconnected, everything's off. You gotta remove the power steering pump here. Look how nasty these things are. I mean, this is the first Hemi that I've seen with this much sludge buildup in the valves or in the intake ports. So remember, number 4 cylinder has the misfire, so that's number 2 on the passenger side. Down in here, I don't see nothing wrong with the valve on the top side, but anyways, we're going after that one, but both covers are gonna come off. Starting to pull spark plugs out so we can run through, do a compression check on the engine, make sure it's okay. Serious issue, or maybe that head doesn't have to be pulled, this one does, I don't know. I did find a couple loose rocker arms on this side. I know that the problem is on that side. This is why I'm gonna do a compression check and see the difference. Typically a sign of a misfire, or if you've been running this for a long time and you have like pretty much a dead hole, it causes detonation, and when detonation happens, the porcelain on the spark plugs crack. And there it is, right there. Broken spark plug. So therefore, this head is coming off, both heads will be coming off this car. 2 is, if a spark plug is cracked and you pull it out, the porcelain falls down into the cylinder and it will wipe the cylinder out. It will happen. It will not spit the porcelain back out. Alright, you guys, so I'm not gonna do a compression check anymore because of the porcelain. The porcelain did go in the cylinder, and as I said before, that porcelain will wreck this engine. It's time to pull both these heads off, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty tight down there. Alright, you guys, so this is what I was talking about right here. Since that spark plug was broken on this side, look at the porcelain right here. You can see it right there. So that's what I was telling you guys about. That would have destroyed this cylinder. Other than that, the cylinders don't look too bad. This is the one that was misfiring. One of these lifters right here bad, and hopefully not the cam, because I really don't want to pull the whole front part. This one, not good. And that one's shot. No bueno. The cam shot. Already looked in there. The cam is completely ground off on number 4, which is this one right here. Now that we know that the cam is bad in this SRT, we will be pulling the front cover now. Pretty much, it's really not that bad. The hardest part, I think, of this whole thing is, this AC compressor right here. It won't slide out because of the bolt or the stud right here. All this stuff, the radiator, the fan, everything comes out to the bottom on this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff off from the top as much as I can, and then the culprit. This is number 4 cylinder here. She's pretty bad. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It ain't looking too good. So next thing I'm gonna do is gotta drop this condenser down just a little bit, and then I'll be able to pull it out. Alright guys, so I'll show you another helpful hint here to determine if you have a bad engine or not. If you pull this MDS or VVT solenoid out, whatever, these screens right here should be clean, obviously. If they're not clean and they're packed full of metal, the engine is probably shot. This one seems to be okay. I don't know. It had good oil pressure though when I checked it, so it should be fine. And this is the damage here. Like even the backside, you can see the backside. You can see this one was going. Definitely not good. This one was starting to go. I mean, they all look bad, honestly.